In today's video, I will show you how I take my own terrible drawings, yes, just look at this, and turn them into amazing designs in seconds using AI. With Adobe Illustrator's Generative Shapefill feature, you now have complete control over AI-generated images. That means you can customize them to fit your style, perfect for book covers, coloring pages, or even children's storybooks for Amazon KDP. And the best part, it's super easy. Anyone can do it, no prior experience needed. In this tutorial, I will walk you through the entire process step by step. If you don't have Illustrator yet, no worries, click the link in the description to get a 7-day free trial and see if it is the right tool for you. Now let's start by making a drawing. First, I will try to sketch a car. Okay, something like that. Not bad, right? Or maybe it is. For a second example, I will attempt a dinosaur, since I know many of you use them in your coloring books. Does this even look like a T-Rex? Probably not, but here is where the magic happens. Next, I will scan these pages, save them as JPEGs, and open them in Adobe Illustrator. Let's see what AI can do. Alright, both of my sketches are now in Illustrator. Now let's turn these JPEG images into high-quality vector artwork. And the best part, it only takes a few clicks. First, select the image on your canvas, then go to Window, Image Trace to open the Image Trace panel. Here you will see a preset drop-down with different options to customize your results. If you choose black and white, Illustrator simplifies the image into a clean black and white design. There are also advanced settings you can explore, but for now, I will stick with something simple. Since my drawings are just outlines, I will select line art from the presets. A confirmation window pops up, just click OK, and that's it. The image is now traced. But to fully edit this as a vector, we need to expand the trace. Here's how. Click Expand in the Image Trace panel. This converts the trace image into editable vector paths grouped together. Now since we scanned this from paper, you might notice some unwanted edges around the drawing. I don't want those, I just want the car on my artwork. To clean it up, right-click the image and select Ungroup. Click on the extra edges and delete them. If you see any stray lines, remove those too. Now we are left with just my sketch, but in vector format. That means I can edit it easily, like this, if I wanted to. But today we are letting AI do the work. Let's move on to the next step. Now that we have our vector sketch, it's time to let AI do the magic. First, select the shape you want to fill using the selection tool. Then go to Object, Generative Shapefill. Now here's where the fun begins. In the prompt field, type in a description of what you want the fill to look like. As you type, Illustrator will suggest prompts to help refine your idea. This step is optional, but without a prompt, Illustrator will generate the fill purely based on the outline of your shape. If you don't want suggestions, you can simply toggle them off. For this example, I will type childlike drawing of a blue car with black wheels. Next, let's fine-tune the results using the shape, strength, and detail sliders. The shape strength slider controls how closely the fill matches the shape's outline. If set to high, the fill will fully match your outline. If set to low, it will have more natural contours resembling real-life objects. Since my drawing isn't perfect, I will keep it somewhere in the middle to get a balanced look. The detail slider adjusts how much detail appears in the fill. More detail gives a complex, textured look, while less details keeps it simple. I will keep this in the middle as well for a good mix of realism and simplicity. You also have the option to add a reference asset to match a specific style, or apply preset effects. Let's go with comic book for a bold, illustrated look. Next, under color and tone, you can refine the colors. Choose from color presets, set the number of colors used in the fill, or manually tweak the tones to match your vision. Once you are happy with everything, hit the Generate button, and just like that, Illustrator will create variations of the fill. In the Properties panel, you will see different variations. The first one is automatically applied to the canvas as a generated object, and a generated object layer appears in the Layers panel. To explore different variations, use the arrows in the contextual taskbar until you find the perfect one for your artwork. The best part, since this is a vector illustration, you can edit it even after it's generated. You can easily change the colors like this, or scale it however you want, without losing quality. Unlike other AI tools, where it often feels like rolling the dice every time you try to get the right result, here you have full control over your AI generated image. As you can see, it's super easy and doesn't require any prior knowledge of Adobe Illustrator. Like I mentioned at the start of the video, if you want to try it out for yourself, just click the link in the description and grab your 7-day free trial. Now let's give it a shot with my dinosaur sketch. This time my prompt is childlike drawing of a green T-Rex with sharp teeth. Alright, not bad, but let's check out the other variations. I think I like the second one, except for the red stripes. Let's tweak that and change it to a darker green. There we go. Looks much better, what do you think? I think both of these images would look great on book covers and really grab the attention of potential buyers. I hope this tutorial helps you turn your sketches into stunning illustrations for your own projects. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like and leave a comment. I love to hear your thoughts. See you in the next one.